Let's learn English through daily conversations. Today's topic is household furniture. Are you ready? Let's get started. New sofa for Grandma.
Come in, Grandma. This is the best sofa shop in our city. Let's pick a new one for our living room.
I think this one is perfect for us. The beautiful floral pattern is just lovely, don't you think?
Grandma, I love you, but that design, it's a bit old-fashioned. Don't you think we should go for something more modern?
Oh no, I don't know about that, dear. This design has character. It reminds me of the good old days.
But Grandma, this one here is much more practical. Look, it has a modern design and even has a little space under the seat for drinks and snacks.
But it looks too plain to me. How could it brighten up the living room?
Trust me, Grandma, technology is going to make the room feel fresh and clean. Think about the space for drinks and remote controls. You'll love that.
You know, I can see your point, but there's something about this one that feels like home.
Oh, you mean our old home?
Yes, my dear. This pattern reminds me of the first sofa your grandfather bought for me when we got married. It's the little things that make a house feel like a home.
Oh, Grandma, that's really sweet. Okay, I'll go with this one. It's the least I can do for the memories.
Oh, thank you, dear. I knew you'd understand. I promise you'll feel the warmth of home as soon as we bring it in.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Floral pattern. A design with flowers, often found on fabrics or wallpapers. Modern. Something that is new and in line with current trends. Practical. Useful and sensible, often designed to be functional. Your listening question is: why does the grandmother want the floral patterned sofa? Answer: she wants it because it reminds her of the sofa her husband bought for her when they got married. The folding table.
Hey honey, I think it's time we get a new dining table. This one is a little wobbly now.
I agree, just for the two of us. A small and cute table would be perfect.
I was actually thinking of a big one so we can all sit together comfortably.
We are for people, darling. How big a table do we need?
But we have a family, right? What if we have guests over or more people join us? A big table would be great for family dinners.
But it's just us most of the time. Plus, a small table is easier to move around.
You're right, but imagine having a table big enough for when your family visits, or even just for our future kids. We'll need space.
I see your point, but we don't have to buy a huge one now, right? Oh, how about something that's not too big but can expand if we need it?
Oh, I like that idea. A table that can grow when we need it, and be small the rest of the time. What do they call it?
Let me check though. It's the folding dining table. Come watch these ads with me. We can even make space when we want to play board games.
Great, so we're getting that one. Can we order it online?
I believe they have those in the store nearby. Let's go find the perfect one.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Dining table. A table used for eating meals, usually in a dining room. Expand. To make something bigger or larger in size. Move around. To change position or place, making something easier to manage. Your listening question is: what kind of table do they decide to buy? Answer: they decide to buy a folding dining table that can expand when needed, but is small the rest of the time. Let's paint.
I have just asked Mom and she agreed. We can repaint our room, whatever colors we like.
Best news ever, Uma, I'm so excited. What colors are we painting it?
So, I think we should go with a soft beige for the bedroom. It's classic, elegant, and makes the room feel warm and cozy.
Beige? Really? That's so plain. I want something bold and exciting. How about a bright neon green? It's totally unique and will make the room pop.
Neon green, that's way too bright. This is the bedroom, remember? It should feel relaxing and peaceful, not like a nightclub.
But beige is so sophisticated. I want my room to be full of energy and personality. Neon green will bring so much life to it.
I see your point, but we need to think about how it'll look in the whole room. A soft, neutral tone like beige makes the room look bigger and more inviting.
I get it, but the neon green will make a statement.
Okay, let me think. How about this? We can paint one side of the room beige, and you can do the other side with your neon green.
Oh, I like that. It's a compromise, and we can still have our own styles.
Exactly. Mom said we could choose any colors, right? You'll have your bold wall, and I'll have my cozy side. Perfect.
I can't wait. It's going to be the most stylish room ever.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Sophisticated. Elegant, complex, and refined in appearance or taste. Exciting. Causing great enthusiasm or energy. Inviting. Appealing and welcoming, making you feel comfortable. Your listening question is: what do the sisters decide to do for the bedroom? Answer: they decide to paint one side of the room beige and the other side neon green, so both get their desired style. Redecorating on a budget.
Here, Bobby, come in. So, as I have told you before, I really want to make the living room more lively. You see, it looks so empty and dull right now.
Yeah, I see what you mean. It definitely feels a bit bare, but don't worry, we can still make it work.
Thanks, man. I know I can count on you. Truth is, I don't have any ideas yet. I want something colorful and vibrant, but not too expensive.
Well, let me take a look around. First, I think this room needs some color. You've got all these white walls and just a few pieces of furniture.
Yeah, I was thinking about painting the walls and buying new stuff. But, you know, I'm on a bit of a budget.
I see. Well, if you cannot change a lot, you can just add a bit of texture. These empty shelves don't really add any personality to the room.
True. It feels like something is missing. I don't want to spend too much, though.
Haha, don't worry. I'm keeping everything simple for you. So, finally, I think you need some greenery. A little touch of green can do wonders.
All right, here's an idea. How about we print a large family picture and put it on the wall? It'll bring warmth and personality to the room. Then just add a couple of mini plants and nice pots. That's it.
Oh, I love that. A family photo sounds perfect. And the plants will really bring the space to life. I can do that on a budget too.
Exactly. You'll have a cozy, inviting space without spending too much. Plus, it'll feel more personal and lively.
Thanks, Bobby. That's exactly what I needed.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Lively. Full of energy, bright, and cheerful. Bare. Empty or lacking in decoration. Texture. The way something feels or appears, especially in terms of surface quality. Your listening question is: what does Bobby suggest to make the living room more lively? Answer: Bobby suggests printing a large family picture and adding a couple of plants to the room. How to choose curtains.
Hey Emmy, look at these dark curtains. They are perfect for the bedroom. They'll block out the light so we can sleep better, especially in the morning.
Dark curtains, I don't know. I think that might make the room feel too dark and gloomy. I want something bright and fresh.
Babe, for the past few months, I have been waking up too early with the sun blasting through the window. Dark curtains would definitely help with that.
I get that, but I also love having a room that feels light and airy. I want the space to feel lively, not like we're sleeping in a cave.
Well, like curtains? Like pink or green? You know they will be hard to wash, right?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm worrying about. Maybe something in the middle. Like a nice medium color, not too dark, but not too bright.
Oh, I see what you mean. We could go for a neutral color, like light gray or beige. They can still block light, I presume.
Yes, that sounds perfect. A neutral color will also match the furniture. Our bedroom is covered in gray and beige.
Right, I almost forgot. It'll be easy to mix with the rest of the decor.
I love it. Let me see. Oh, I see some light gray curtains right here. Oh my, the fabric is so good too.
And it looks dark enough. Let's go with this one.
Let's look at the vocabulary. Dark. A color or shade that is deep or without light. Bright. Full of light, making a space feel lively and cheerful. Neutral. A color that is not bright or dark, like beige, gray, or white, which works well with other colors. Your listening question is: what color of curtains do Jamie and Emmy decide to buy? Answer: they decide to buy light gray curtains. What is your favorite new word from this video? Share your favorite word in the comments below. Like, follow, and subscribe to our channel for more useful English lessons.